These are the locomotives that I just bought. They all work. And I am expanding the layout. Had to put some in the on top of the buildings. Now this one right here, I'm working on it. For some reason it won't stay closed. The wheels keep coming out, so I'll fix it. But yeah, this is what's been going on. Getting the school in place. Starting on the tunnels. I haven't yet gotten it ready for the lake. I'm still working on that right along with the river over there. But I'll get I'll get closer to getting it parts of it done. I've also started expanding the mountain. Still got a little ways to go on that too. My brother, him and his wife, they found me some trees. So they found me these. So there was I think there's about 40 of them I won't have to make. So thank you. Alrighty. Well, that's it for now. Later.